Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakras Zen Center. This is another video for the Lifestyles playlist for the Heart Chakra. Today we're going to be talking about what you could do in your daily life that will open up your heart chakra besides meditation. Foods you could bring into your daily life, yoga pose, affirmations, mudra, things that you could broaden your lifestyle with. And this is going to bring inner love, unconditional joy and peace, love for yourself and for others, no matter what you're surrounded by or who you're surrounded by. So let's start off with some foods. Now, anything green vegetables, green fruits. Think limes, watermelons, green apples. Then there's spinach, kale, peas. Anything that has that green color is not only going to be good for your body, but also it gives the heart chakra what it craves. So just add a little bit into each meal. There's also certain spices and herbs you could include. Oregano, parsley, thyme, rosemary, basil, sage. Just add a dash in each meal and you're good to go. Now, I'd like to also show you a wonderful yoga pose. The yoga pose you're looking at right now is called the bow pose. Hold this pose until you could feel your heart chakra open. And once you feel that feeling in your chest, I want you to repeat the following affirmation. I love myself. I radiate unconditional love. This satisfies my every need. I am surrounded by love. Let go of the pose slowly and let your muscles relax. Now you're going to feel that overwhelming sense of peace just flow into your body. Do this daily, and it could just take maybe about 5 minutes or less, but that simple pose will change your day. I'd also like to add a mudra. The following mudra that you're looking at is a hand position that also draws energy into the heart chakra. You could do this after your yoga pose, you could do this while relaxing or meditating, anything that you like, anything that is easy for you to bring this mudra into your daily life. Just allow it to suit your lifestyle. Now, I'd also like to talk about some hobbies and some activities that you could do. Anything that is associated with luxury, self-luxury, is basically telling the universe, I deserve to do this. It could be a bubble bath, it could be going to the spa, it could be buying yourself a simple $10 item. But what you're telling the universe is, I deserve this. This is mine, and I'm giving it to myself. The universe hears that, and it starts to manifest more opportunities for you to love yourself and for other people to love you unconditionally. Also, you could have certain acts of giving love, like donating to certain charities or giving to a friend in need without expecting anything in return. Even leaving a nice note on someone's car, a complete stranger. These things are an act of unconditional love, and it speaks to the universe and tells the universe what you expect in return. Also, working with flowers is an amazing little activity that you could do because flowers are a part of Mother Nature, and Mother Nature is very loving. If you have any further questions on the heart chakra, on anything at all regarding your daily lifestyle, please feel free to leave a comment or send me an email, and I will follow up and answer your question as soon as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Love and light.